Hey there. Today we're exploring how fairy tales can help you learn English in a fun and easy way. These beloved stories don't just entertain us, they teach us valuable vocabulary and grammar while offering cultural insights. Sounds exciting, right? Let's look at some classics like Cinderella, where magic transforms a simple girl into a princess, or Little Red Riding Hood, filled with adventure and caution. Then there's Jack and the Beanstalk, a tale of bravery and curiosity that sparks the imagination. Each of these stories provides unique characters and themes that enrich our understanding of English while keeping us engaged. To make the most of these fairy tales, listen closely and read along. Take notes on new words you come across. This helps cement them in your memory. You could also rewrite a scene in your own words or chat with friends about the moral of each story. This engaging approach makes learning much more enjoyable. So, immerse yourself in these enchanting tales. As you improve your English, you'll delight in stories that have captivated hearts for generations. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your favorite fairy tales in the comments. Let's start this magical journey together.